Well, imagine an aircraft that can fly using less fuel than a Prius. A Grand Junction company builds that aircraft, and it's revolutionizing aviation in a way that has never been done before. Our Alex Ailey has an exclusive look.
4,000-pound rolls of aluminum come in that door over there, and airplanes go out that door over there. It's eye candy. I mean, there's no doubt about it.
Nearly 2 decades ago, the Federal Aviation Administration agreed to a new class of aircrafts known as light sport aircrafts.
That was just a breath of fresh air that came into the aviation world at that time, because prior to that, there wasn't anything like that.
This intrigued aeronautical engineer Stephen Wood, who had a vision.
Probably had in the back of my mind, at least a few thumbnail sketches of what I thought maybe this airplane could be or should be. I recruited a couple of engineers, and we started out very small in a small building across town, and we started doing the design for real.
The team of aeronautical and mechanical engineers at Spirit Engineering began constructing the design with specific objectives.
Low acquisition cost, low operating cost, low storage cost, that's why the wings fold, and low maintenance costs. We designed the airplane to be very easy to access anything that needed maintenance.
The team invented the Spirit SE-1 light sport aircraft and assembled their very own V2 engine.
I wanted to be able to truthfully advertise 100-mile-an-hour cruise speed on 2 gallons of car gas an hour, because I knew that was possible, and this airplane does that.
I'm standing next to one of the Spirit Engineering SE-1 aircrafts that's currently in the manufacturing process. As you can see, parts still need to be added, and this is where all the magic happens, the manufacturing, everything that goes into designing these aircrafts that were launched just this past summer.
The Spirit SE-1 aircraft made its debut this summer during the world's biggest air show in Oshkosh, Wisconsin.
We went to Oshkosh, Wisconsin and back, and our average fuel burn was about 1.85 gallons per hour all the way.
Making aviation affordable remained a priority for Wood, who says out of the nearly 700,000 licensed pilots in the country, only about a third are actively flying.
So our initial target market is the 2/3 of them that aren't active. And the main reason they're not active is because they cannot afford to do it.
The aircraft costs $69,500 ready to fly, according to Wood.
Everything about it was thought through. How will we make this part? How will someone inspect this part? How will someone replace or repair this part?
Wood says the aircraft has the ability to fly at 17,500 feet above sea level, despite its small size.
We've flown it right over the top of the Rocky Mountains numerous times. Its altitude performance is absolutely stunning, especially for an airplane with a 42 horsepower engine.
Since the launch, Wood says the market reception has been tremendous, leaving many pilots intrigued by its unique qualities.
This airplane had manufacturability as one of the key ingredients in the design all the way along, because this is what we envisioned. We envisioned a production line.
The Spirit Engineering team remains busy testing and building aircrafts and engines at its factory in Grand Junction.
It's not geared toward making, 10 or 12 airplanes a year. We're going to make a lot of airplanes.
The mastermind behind the SE-1 aircraft proudly looks back on what was once his vision officially coming to life.
Most of the time I can remember the meeting I was in or where I was when we drew the sketch of the concept of how to do that portion of the airplane. So to see it all in fulfillment and to see it happening is just, it's a lot of fun.